Breath catches the second skin hits cold water. That first gasp? It's not fear. It's a reflex arc firing, heart spiking, blood vessels clamping, all before your brain catches up. This isn't a test of willpower. It's biology. Somewhere along the way, we started calling this reflex a challenge. We dressed up a survival mechanism in the language of discipline, made it mean something it doesn't. Your nervous system doesn't care about your reasons for being here. The feeling of fighting through it comes from repetition, not truth. Each time you push past that first gasp, a neural pathway deepens. The brain starts confusing familiarity with mastery. The thought fires faster, so it feels more certain. The real obstacle isn't the cold. It's the story you tell yourself about why you're supposed to endure it. That narrative keeps the circuit active, keeps you rehearsing the doubt instead of letting it fade. The skill, hiding behind the belief, is simply acting while unsure. Stop treating the shiver as something to overcome and start noticing it as data. Name the reflex, feel the sensation, then move attention to the next physical detail. The water on your skin, the sound in the room. No argument. Just shift. Cold water will always trigger the same old response. But you don't need to believe in it to step in anyway. The choice was never about enduring the shock. It was about feeling uncertain and moving forward regardless. Once you know how,